Let's start with how to customize your website and how to install a theme. To log in, enter your site's name /wp-admin. Enter the ID password, log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Next, go to Appearance, Themes. We already had finalized one theme from one WordPress free theme from WordPress.org and had an idea of how the demo looks like. For example, I'm finding a travel blog theme, and as we had selected a theme called Blogger Buzz. Let's go to that. To check how it will look after demo, after setting up how it will look like, go to theme homepage, go to live preview. Here it will show you how the entire site would look like once you set up it. So let's keep this open on one tab. Let's go to manage theme, add new. Since we already had added before, so it was showing there. Search for theme. I'm writing the name Blogger Buzz. All you have to do is activate. Once you activate, now it's also showing you that these are some of the plugins which this theme recommends. You can activate. Let's activate them. I'm selecting all of them together, going to bulk action, activate. If you did not install them before, it will show you first for installation and then it will ask you to activate. One of the plugin has failed to activate, so as of now we are leaving this, but we can of course anytime solve this up. Once you have activated, now also it is showing you one tab which is Blogger Buzz settings. Let's check. That's also showing you how to import the sample demo data, that how we can first set up entire website like this with all these images and all these content. I'm just doing activating. So it's also asking to activate one of the importer plugin, which will actually import all the data. Now when actually I clicked, it is showing me this preview that do I want to import all of this data? Click on import. Yes, import. Here it is showing me importing, please wait. So we'll wait till the time all the data gets imported, all the images, if it had any videos or links or even all the entire menu, how it looks on demo, entire stuff will come here. In case some of the things fail, we'll see what's happening. Since we were not able to install and activate one plugin, which was WooCommerce, which is for e-commerce. So as of now, we are not really looking for setting up an e-commerce. So even if it's not working, that's fine. All we need to do is that at least our basic major setup comes, and all the things which are actually looking out here, that comes out and set up to be in our dashboard. Importing usually takes time, so we will have to wait till the time it imports. Also try not, if since of course you have to be you really have to have patience while importing, because at times it usually takes more time. In case you lose patience and you want to go back and redo it, then again of course you'll click on the import button twice, and it may sometimes happen that that import takes place 2 times. So you'll see everything twice, you'll see your logo twice, you'll see your menu twice or thrice the more you click on import. So once you have clicked on import, wait for at least 10-15 minutes or howsoever, until unless it shows some error that it is not importing or it has failed. Otherwise, have patience and let the import finish. As we see import is done, it is showing some errors that some things have failed. All the things which have failed here because of WooCommerce plugin, which we were unable to install and activate. And so it's all the things which have failed are from e-commerce. Let's see but how it looks like. On top, this is dashboard. On top, when you hover here, you'll see visit site option. Let's see how it looks after importing all the demo data. Here's what you have to compare it with. That's how the demo of that particular theme looks. Go to your site, see what all has imported. You'll see a lot of items which have been imported. Something which is missing out here is slider. All you have to do is click on customize. Let's check the options here. Here it's showing you main slider post settings, and it's asking that what all sliders you want to be there. And this panel is entire live changing panel, so whatever you do it here, and in case you publish it, it'll show you simultaneously here how it looks like. Let's check. Let it load and let's check. So now let's publish some sliders of fashion, lifestyle, nature and technology. Let's see. And all I'm doing is putting a publish. This customizer makes your work really easy. You'll also get a lot of options to change the colors and fonts, etc. So here now it shows the sliders to us. We already had published it. I'm just minimizing it. Let's wait for the changes to reflect. And now I'm able to see the sliders. I'm able to see what all was coming down there. So it's entirely now like the demo which I actually had seen to set up my site, the theme, how it will look. All now I have to do is change the data which is here, change the images. I'm going to put all my images and we are ready.